Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, July 9th, 2009. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of -4 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, well, we opened up this morning as we continue out our summer holiday season here, vacation times. The market chopped around quite a bit on us today, and we paid the price for it, gave up a few, but immediately at the open we had a move down, and that gave us a signal to get short playing for the half gap. That trade did produce 11 ticks to the downside, hit targets 1 and targets 2. And then we went down, almost filled our entire gap, got a bounce 1 tick in front of that, and as we did a little crisscross here, we got a move back down as it looked like it was going to fill that gap, and when we pulled back we actually got short, and you know, we ended up not even getting our first contract out. Took a full stop out for a 14 tick total, and then because we were in that trade, there was an opportunity for a small trade here, but we were already trading to the downside, so we took our next setup, and that got the first target off, but it hit some overhead resistance, both from the opening price and some longer term resistance levels we had there, and never was able to break through, so that created a 2 tick loss in that particular trade. And then we traded back down, eventually filled our gap, took a bounce off that gap, and as we pulled back up to the moving average here, we got a signal to get short once again. First contract off, no follow through, so we got stopped out for 2 ticks on that particular move. And then you know, on that follow through we got a signal to go long. Again, like I said, we're just kind of chopping around here, and that long signal, we took a full stop out. We didn't get our first contract off on that one. So you know, this morning there was a lot of trades going on, a lot of 1 targets hit, some stop outs, a couple of successful trades. But it wasn't until about 11 o'clock we had this move down, got our signal to get short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks on that particular trade. And then following that up right before lunch, we started to get up towards the edge, making a run towards that downward trend line we had. And on that pullback, we got a signal to go long right before the end of lunch. Took a few ticks heat, but ultimately that trade worked out to the upside. For 9 ticks and then some for those that decided to trail it. So quite an eventful morning. The market did bounce back up towards that opening price, and right coming out of the dead zone we got a signal to go long. Got our first contract off, and this one was the heartbreaker of the day because we actually got stopped out to the tick instead of what would have been a very nice larger swing profit for us. But you know, that's trading, and you have to use your stops. So you know, that trade was the one that kept us in the red for the day, and you have days like that. We had a total of 8 trades we took, -4 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this trading plan, including chart setups, or to join our live trading room, our video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.